Hey everyone, Megan here. On this session of Naturally Northwest, I'm going to show you how to make pesto from stinging nettle that I foraged. I'm going to pair it with some fluffy focaccia bread as well. If you're interested in the nutritional aspects of stinging nettle, as well as how to forage it, check out my other video, Forage to Feast, Stinging Nettle. Let's go check it out. To activate my yeast, I add 1.5 cups cold water and a 1/2 cup boiling water. Then I add a couple teaspoons of my active dry yeast and mix it up and wait about 15 minutes until it's foamy. I'm going to use my beautiful Frankoma bowl to mix my bread ingredients. It's the perfect size to mix the ingredients and still have enough room to let the dough rise. This particular Frankoma bowl has been in my family for over 30 years. I remember my mom buying the entire set when we went down to Oklahoma for a family vacation. It's kind of a tradition on my mom's side of the family to be gifted a set of Frankoma dishes once you get married. So when she picked the set out, she went with my great-grandma and my great-aunt, and they helped her pick it out and pitched in on it for her. And now she's gifted it to me, so I feel pretty darn lucky. When you're done mixing, you should have a sticky ball of dough. I then like to put a couple tablespoons of olive oil on my hand and just rub it over the top of the dough so that it doesn't dry out when I put it in the fridge for its first rise. Allowing the dough to rest 18 to 24 hours in the fridge will give you that extra pillowy, fluffy focaccia bread. Now I prepare the dough for the room temperature rise. I roll it around in a couple tablespoons olive oil and then kind of form it in a rectangular shape and let it sit on the counter for about 4 hours. Right before baking, sprinkle the bread with a couple teaspoons of your favorite chopped herbs, and then give it one more drizzle of olive oil. And this is where you're going to take your fingers and work the dough into the corners of the pan, and also give the focaccia bread its signature dimples using your fingers to press down into the dough. It's really fun. It actually feels like you're playing with slime. My kids like to make slime where they mix Elmer's glue and borax, and this feels the exact same. It was awesome. Sprinkle with a little bit of Himalayan salt, and then pop it in the oven. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in my video, be sure and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos with similar content. Also, feel free to leave me a positive comment letting me know some wild edibles you'd like to see me forage and prepare. Until next time, ciao for now.